Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from AceBeam. Now this here is their TAC AA. Now I was sent this by AceBeam directly. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. Now the version here that they've sent me is the 5000 Kelvin high CRI90. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Here's the user manual, front and back. Now there is a specs chart here. This is on the small side, sorry about that. Included battery, it'll be 750 lumens on a 14500 lithium cell. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's move along here. One USB Type-C charging cable. It is pretty small. One lanyard. And here's the light. One O-ring and two O-rings actually, and one power switch cover. Let's take a look here at the light. There it is. Really a compact light, easily hide it in your palm of your hand. A lot of knurling here. Now this is a little bit aggressive, not overly aggressive. Got some here on the head as well. TAC AA. There's a protection piece here. Want to remove that before I continue. Does have some heat sinking here on the head of the light. Now the clip is on here. You can rotate it easily. You can take it off if you don't want it on there, but I'll leave it on there. It's got some good resistance on there. I love the tan color here. Now my understanding is they do have other colors available. Style and design on this is very nice. Tail clicky. Now it looks like you can still table stand that if you wish. It's kind of got a flat finish. The machining and finish on this is very nice. Definitely compact enough for everyday carry. Use it as a tactical if you wish. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the Nichia 519A V1 LED. Alright, now let's go ahead and get this all apart and I'll show you the insides. Straight contact plate there on the head. And here's the battery that's included. 920 milliamp, 14500. Got the charging port built into it there. Okay, now I was thinking that you could take the tail cap here off, but you cannot do so. Tried doing it earlier and it did not work. So that's stationary. Otherwise I'd show you the springs. So now let's go ahead and get started on the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. I turn it on. You can half press or full press if you wish to go through those light outputs. Half press. Very nice low light output there. Take a look here at the beam. Nice combination beam. Centralized hotspot. A lot of bleeding around the edge. Not a real sharp cutoff on the spill, but still does well. Nice beam performance. Love that color. Pretty straightforward on how to use it. Once you get it on the light level that you want, just full press it at that time, or you can just full press it each time. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward, easy to operate that, nothing difficult. Beam is a combination beam, which are my favorite, and this thing does feel rugged. It's got some weight to it. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the AceBeam TAC AA. Let's go ahead and get started. Water spout, 38 feet. It's faintly making it there, but not enough to show on camera. Beam on the fence, kind of give you an idea. Let's go to the next level here. Nice little jump. This can run on any AA cell. There it is, water spout, 38 feet. 65 feet there to that tree. The beam on the fence, give you an idea. And I have a distance video below in the description box. And check that out if you have any doubts on distances. My testing area, check them out. Next level there. Faintly making it across the park to those playgrounds. My fingers are frozen here. Wind is like Arctic cold. Crazy. Let's go ahead and go to the next level here. Little jump, 138 feet to the famous Tree of Life. Ever-changing colors here. This thing is doing very well for its size and only 750 lumens. Now that's 238 feet behind the Tree of Life here, and it's making that. Making up playgrounds over there. Do a beam profile here. Nice. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice performance, especially for its size. This TAC AA is an impressive light. 750 lumens is a lot of light, plenty of light for most applications, especially a light carry, something you want to carry on as an extra light with you, everyday carry, or casual carry. This, no issues. Does have a little bit of a tactical feel to it because of the tail clicky, but other than that, it does well. I just wanted to bring out now, charging the other battery here after using it in the night shots. I'm using an alkaline max from Energizer. Just want to show you the light output differences. You can see there's quite a bit dimmer. And there's not much light output difference from the medium and high. Yeah. The lowest light output there. Now that's really low if you're wanting to use this for a really nice low moonlight. And you've got that next level. Interesting how that UI works on that. It has the two upper light outputs and then goes to the medium and then the absolute lowest. But in any case, very easy to operate this light. Now, AA batteries, you can get them anywhere. So if you're in a pinch and you need to use the light while your other battery is charging, you can do so. You have the ability to run regular alkaline cells or nickel metal hydride, and very nice looking light, well constructed, does feel rugged, not seeing any issues there. Now the clip here, thought maybe it could rotate a little bit, but it takes a lot to move it and it's only like clicks, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, and it doesn't look that bad on the light anyways. Alright, well, I want to thank AceBeam for sending me this TAC AA to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description box below. Also working on a special discount code for this light, and if I'm able to get that, it'll be there too to help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring these new lights from AceBeam, more of them, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.